Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make jambalaya. So let's get started. A tablespoon of Creole seasoning. I'm going to toss that all around, get it good and covered. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to take a half a stick of butter and melt that in a pan. Okay, so now we're going to add our seasoned chicken and we're going to brown it. Okay, so we're going to brown all this chicken. I'm going to give you a recipe for a serving for 4. This is a little bit bigger than that because I have a lot of my family's here and I have more people to serve than 4 people. So, but I am going to give you the recipe to serve 4 people. You can double it or whatever suits your family. There's a lot of chicken in the pan, so sometimes when you have too much meat in a pan and it's going to brown, it actually steams it. That's why I'm trying to separate this from each other. So, don't do it. No. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this and you see. Okay, so this is pretty brown, so I'm going to add in the sausage. I'm going to cook it another 3 minutes. So I cut this ahead of time. I took my mince and I cut it with scissors. Oh, there we have it. And I just put it in the refrigerator overnight. It made it a lot easier. And I had everything ready. Okay. I want to let the sausage cook about 3 minutes or until it's brown, because you want the sausage to really be brown. Okay, that looks pretty good, pretty brown. So now I'm going to add green peppers and orange peppers, onion, celery, and garlic. Put all that around. So I'm going to add tomatoes, diced tomatoes, Worcestershire sour sauce, another tablespoon of the Creole seasoning. Let's mix that. And now the chicken broth. I'll get that part. Okay, so now we add our rice. Okay, so now I put the lid on it and I'm going to bring it to boil. Then I'm going to time it for 15 minutes. Let it cook for 20. Okay, it's boiling. Now we're going to put the timer on for 15 minutes.
Before it falls back in the
pasta,
when it's boiling like that.
Looking good. Okay, thank you. So it's 2
That is boiling way too heavy.
See.
Okay, I think the shrimp can go now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take it. Close off a bit. Leaves.
They have a crawfish boil.
Yeah, like that. New Orleans.
And down south they do
Okay.
Okay, everybody, let's add our shrimp into the
Okay,
mix.
so now we're gonna add our shrimp.
Delicious.
Okay, the shrimp is in. Let's put on the lid and we'll simmer it for another 10 minutes. Or until the rice looks like it's done. But I think 10 minutes would be a good guess.
That's awful long time. Shrimp doesn't take very long.
Nope, that's okay, so I'm going to put some salt and pepper on like it called for. I never did it. And here's some salt and some pepper. Nice. Can you give me a nice dish, that white dish down there? Oh, that's a good one. How many?
19 seconds.
Some shrimp on top.
Some juice. There is no juice.
Take my camera off this. Okay, it's all done. Looking.
It's our southern cooking meal. Stop recording in 3, 2,